Hey, welcome, brothers and sisters, myself is Azib. I hope that you are well. In this video, I will show you some primitive type functional interface related to Supplier. Remember, what is Supplier? Supplier doesn't contain input type parameter. It just returns value. Okay? It supplies something. So, the interface supplier is like this. Check it again. Interface supplier with air input type parameter, and abstract method is get. So we have public air get without any input type parameter. For example, I want to retrieve a random digit number from 0 to 9. After this, I will just construct password with 6 digits with this return. So if I want to achieve this, I will create my supplier like this. Supplier integer s equal parenthesis, open parenthesis, but without any input parameter. Simple arrow. What I will do after this, math class math dot random with method random. And we have talked about this before. Multiply by 10. This one return number between 0 and 9. This I will cast to int. Okay, to return integer number. After this, I will do, if I want to create password between 6 digits, I do for loop, so string password equal empty string. As for e start with 0 less than 6, e plus plus, password equal password plus s dot get. Okay? Here there is a problem. Of course, there is a problem. The return type is integer, and I have the cast int, as you can see. It is primitive type. Okay? Post multiplication. So here I have lot of autoboxing. Lot of. Can we change this? Can we remove this? Yes, we can control this. Yes, we can. We can use primitive type for supplier. Okay? So what we have? We have this primitive type functional interface for supplier. First one is, that I will use now, int supplier. Okay, int supplier. It doesn't contain return type because we have control it here. It is integer, int, primitive type. And the abstract method is like this. Public return type is int here, and get as int. Okay, as int, without any input argument. Here is our abstract method. Function, remember what we have to do for function for return type. Now, if I want to change my supplier with this primitive type, it becomes like this. Int supplier s equal the same expression. Open parenthesis without any input argument, simple arrow, math.random multiplied by 10, and I will cast it to int. After this thing, string password equal empty string. For e start to 0, e less than 6, e plus plus, password equal password plus s dot get as int. Don't forget, as int. Okay? Here is my new interface, how to use it. And I will go to show you this execution only to check the result that works perfectly. Okay? I'll say. Others I will come back to continue for this video. Let's go.
So I will create my int supplier like this, int supplier, and there is no return type argument. Okay, supplier equal, and here open empty parentheses, simple arrow. Now what I will do, mat dot random to turn double, so I will cast it after this, multiply by 10 to return digit between 0 and 9, and I will cast it to integer to int. Okay, and here we create my password, string password equal empty password, and for it equals 0, e less than 6, e plus plus, sorry, I forgot the e here. What I will do, password equal password plus s dot get as int. Okay, remember this. Good. Now I will make system.out println password, and let's check this, what we got here. That is our password. We can see another example. Each time we change, as you can see, we have different value. Well, it got here the same one. Let's see, change. Yeah, it changed, of course. Let's continue as you want. Okay, good.
So we have seen how to use int supplier, and there is another functional interface, primitive type functional interface with supplier. Sorry. So what we have also, we have long supplier. Okay, and the method will be like this: public long get as long. Of course, without any input type parameters. What we have also, we have double supplier. And the method will be like this: public double primitive type get as double without any input type parameter. Also, we have Boolean supplier. Yes, we have this one. The method will be like this: public Boolean get as Boolean without input type parameter. So we have seen at this moment different primitive type for predicate, function, and consumer. And this video I have seen for supplier. We have seen what we can control. Sometimes input, sometimes out the return type, sometimes both, sometimes just only one input type parameter if we have two input type. Okay, so with different primitive type functional interface, you must practice. I know there are a lot of information that I have give you, and on this case I have make not big video. I just want to make a long video, so I have cut this different part in each video to understand them very well. I can of course I can make 1 hour to group all of them, but it is not good for me. I don't want to make something like this, because we will receive a lot of information in only one time. It is not good, so I have make different part, divided from different part, and then we continue like this to receive all this new concept slowly, but you just practice to be familiar with them. Okay, so see you inshallah for this video. Continue for next topic, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it. Also, you can like my Facebook page if you visit my Facebook page, Lean Practice and Share, when I share different good things. So don't forget to like this page. Also, you can go to my Instagram, my personal or my professional for this page. With Teams winners. I put them in the description to receive a lot of good code. Stay motivated, positive. Okay? Goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.